All right, so I pulled the trigger on the Pitaka 6.7-inch case for the iPhone Pro Max. You know, it feels really great in my hand without even having the phone in there. So I can't wait to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max. God, I know, right? It's only a matter of days now. Days, people, days. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Also with a Pitaka carbon fiber case on it. As you can see, it's saved my life quite a few times here with drops and things like that. This does have a screen protector on as well. Just want to give you guys a quick size comparison. Let me get up here. I mean, the iPhone 12 Pro Max does look like it's a little bit bigger, height-wise, and width-wise, it's roughly the same, except for the 11 Pro Max, it curves around the edge. I mean, now that I'm holding the phone again, it's not terrible compared to the flat edge. Oh, I can't get over how good that feels. It's pretty darn good. Now compared to the cutout for the cameras, dang, look at that. The 12 Pro Max is just massive. I am looking forward to shooting or taking some amazing pictures and videos with this phone. Hopefully sooner rather than later. All right, just want to give you a quick comparison in terms of size. Now this is the 11 Pro next to the 11 Pro Max. And sadly, I can't put down the 12 Pro because I'm using that to shoot this video with. All right, what do you think? It's not bad, right? Can't wait. Just this flat edge. It's just something about that it's just so magical. I just love it. I'm glad Apple brought it back. Thanks for watching. This is Vincent for Slash Gear.